Today we're not in the reject garage, we're in the reject attic. Changing out a capacitor, run capacitor on the air handler, in fact. So the original right here was showing a low reading. I forget how many farads it was showing, but it was lower than spec. It was original to the house. Over, what, 30 years now or something crazy? Yeah, a little ridiculous. So I put in an Amrad 10 microfarad capacitor, and we're going to use that. So hopefully I can get a couple more years out of this air handler, and we'll see what happens. So that's already been wired in. I had to bend the bracket because it's obviously a different shape. Instead of being round, this one's oval. Tightened up the connectors, made sure those are solid. Mark the date on there, of course, because that's just how I operate, and that's just how I am. Don't want to leave my phone in there, obviously. So we're going to seal this up, make it look good like this other one, all sealed up with duct tape, so there's less chance of dust getting in the house. But yeah, here we go. I got to change out these face plates too. I'm going to get a new one for here, and obviously that one needs to be replaced, and see what I can do for some lighting up here. So yeah, wish me luck. Actually, I'm going to let's see, should I turn this thing on and see if the sparks fly? Yeah, why not? Ooh, I don't see any sparks. No sparks either. That's good. All right, well, we'll see what happens. I also have to turn on that one. I shut everything off up here just to be on the safe side. Now that's on. Cool. All right, good, good, good. Well, here we go. Wish me luck. But yeah, this is the capacitor I used. I used one in here at the same time when I moved in here a couple of years ago. This is a 10 farad microfarad Amrad. There we go. Oval run capacitor, USA2035 model. So hopefully that lasts a long time too. We shall see. All right, Jake and I are here with the downstairs air handler. We're about to throw the switch, so if you're ready, go ahead and turn it on, Jacob.
All right. And it's down on 3.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
All right, give it a second. There you go. All right, it's turning on. That's good. And I don't see sparks flying. I don't see any smoke coming out, so that's always a good sign as well. In a moment, the flame should kick on. Inside of it. There you go.
Oh, I see it. I can see blue.
And that's how our heater kicks on and works.
Ow, you're not fun. CJ, you're almost there.
Well, that was fun.
Just to tell you, and here's my dad.
What's up, dude?
Yep. So he's trying to fix our heater, and we did fix it. Well,
Put a new run capacitor in the heater.
yeah.
10 microfarad. Easy peasy. I've done one on this one already, and now is for this
I
one.
see some heat.
Upstairs, downstairs are both now done. Didn't last 4 years. The other one I did about 4 years ago. This one just today.
CJ, you good? Oh, one more step, CJ, come on. Okay, that's gonna be it for today's video. We'll see you next time, so peace out. Oh, I know.
All right, new light switch cover. Good to go.